Introducing the Wheel Balance Training Series, brought to you by
Perfect Equipment, balancing the future.
Nearly every day of the week, there are millions of Americans who get into their cars and start a daily commute, all the while unaware of the parts and pieces that make up their vehicle. Of all the parts, none are more important than the wheel assemblies. Each wheel and tire combination on a vehicle is vital when it comes to safety and comfort. At high rates of speed, smooth rolling wheel assemblies can be the difference between having a comfortable, vibration-free driving experience or a shaky and dangerous one. When a driver first realizes a wheel assembly imbalance, it is important for them to stop by their local tire shop as soon as possible. But it is even more critical for the shop technician to fully understand what wheel balance is and how to precisely correct the problem. With proper training, service shops can be confident that the vehicles are being returned to the customer for safe and comfortable driving. With this in mind, Perfect Equipment has developed a comprehensive wheel balance training series. This series is separated into easy-to-understand modules that progresses from basic concepts to hands-on demonstrations. First, technicians will learn why wheel balance is important. Topics include what wheel balance is, where it comes from, and how it affects a vehicle and the driver. If allowed to remain, a severe wheel imbalance can not only cause safety concerns for drivers, it can also cost them a lot of money. The next training module discusses what causes wheel imbalance. Students will learn how a static imbalance causes wheels to hop and how a dynamic imbalance causes wheels to wobble. Technicians will discover the reasons why wheel assemblies come out of balance and what drivers can do to avoid it. Next, you will learn about understanding wheel weight types and the different options available to balance a wheel assembly. We will explain how to identify the various types of knock-on wheel weights, their different clip types, and the Perfect Equipment developed color code system. Identifying adhesive weights and their various styles will also be covered. In preparation for the future of wheel balancing, technicians will be introduced to the pros and cons of the different types of non-lead wheel weight materials that are available today. In the final module, we will reveal the key components of deciding between using one type of weight over another, where wheel weights need to be installed on a wheel, what tools are necessary to correctly complete a wheel weight installation, and how to properly install wheel weights in order to achieve perfect balance. As we cover these topics and more throughout this training series, you will be better educated to properly service imbalance-related issues at your facility, thus providing your customers with a safe and comfortable ride. To learn more about this training series, log on to wheelbalancetraining.com today. This comprehensive website allows you to complete each video training course one at a time, track your progress with quizzes and test scores, and download a fully personalized completion certificate after you have completed the entire lesson plan. Visit wheelbalancetraining.com today to begin your online wheel balance training experience.
Perfect Equipment,